An artful garden includes both beauty and function. Functions, such as ease of movement, privacy, and shade, can all be met by beautiful devices that please us as well. Managing water is another garden function. Water is welcome. Most gardeners give a sigh of relief at the sound of rain, and water will always find a path. A successful garden plan will work with the water, holding it where it can help and encouraging it to move on in areas that don't need moisture. Rather than shedding water downstream, today's garden finds ways to slow water down, letting it drop sediment and percolate into the groundwater. Duke Gardens incorporates these ideas in rain gardens, water collecting cisterns, and decorative swales. Take a look at your garden to see if some of these strategies would be a functional and beautiful addition.